In this quick guide, I'll show you how to change your display name on Cash App, step by step. To update your display name on Cash App, follow these steps. Open the Cash App on your phone. Go to the Profile section by tapping the profile icon in the top right corner. Tap Edit Profile. Update your first and last name according to Cash App's guidelines and save the changes. Keep in mind, you can only edit your profile name up to 3 times. Your first name should be the one you go by. Your last name must match your legal last name. No numbers, symbols, or extra spaces are allowed. Business names or acronyms can't be used in personal accounts. If you recently legally changed your name or notice an error, you'll need to contact Cash App support for help. Want more privacy? You can also control who can find you using your profile name. Just go to Profile, tap Security and Privacy. Adjust your visibility settings, and if you use a preferred first name that's different from your legal name, you can set that up too. It must be at least 2 characters and follow the same naming rules. That's it. Your new display name is now updated on Cash App.